This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Coffey. This 3-bedroom 1-bath house has hardwood floors, an eat-in kitchen and a formal dining area/living area. There is a carport and shed. The large backyard is fenced. Downstairs is the laundry and there was a bathroom, bedroom and another den, but those have been removed and remodel has not been completed. This home is ready for you to move in and make it your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Coffey at 865-584-4000.